Namaste all, and let us all begin our program by Shanti Shloka by our cute little Anika. Okay, Anika, I will put you on spotlight. Then you can start Shanti Shloka for all of us. Okay, Anika, just a minute. I'll put you on spotlight. Yes, Anika, over to you.
Jangala Kiyan
Start,
Shloka.
Anika.
Kiyan Shloka.
Asato ma.
Only we like Loud. Louder.
Good cry, mommy.
Louder.
Namasoma. Come on, Anika. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much, Anika. Thank you. Now, as our regular practice, let us pray Lord Ganapati to remove the obstacles. Yes. Over to Naira. Naira, I'll put you on spotlight. Then you can pray Lord Ganapati for all of us. Okay, Naira, are you ready? Yes. Yes, Naira, over to you.
Shakti Sahita Ganapatim Shankaraadisevitam Virakta Sakala Munivarasura Raja Vinita Guruguham Bhaktahi Poshakam Bhavasutam Vinayakam Mukti Mukti Pradam Bhushitam Kam Raktapujam Bhajami.
Thank you very much, Naira. So we have prayed Lord Ganesha. He will definitely remove all the obstacles which comes on our way. Okay, thank you, Naira. Yes, Namaste and warm welcome to all and to our special guest Pooja ma'am. Namaste, ma'am.
Thank you, Namaste.
Namaste.
Thank you for
Hearty
calling me
welcome
here.
to our 32nd Abhyasa program. Thank you all for being with us and also to you, ma'am. Thank you very much. I also extend heartfelt welcome to all the parents, friends, and family and grandparents who have come to support us today. And a big welcome to all the participants. Wishing you all the best, and I would like to welcome Vidya ma'am and all our Samskara teachers who are all the backbone of our classes. Let us stay till the end to cheer for all the amazing performances from our Samskara kids. I hope all of you have wonderful evening. Not not more evening, right? For you all, it is evening. Yes, and also with us, Ashwini ma'am's students Agastya and Shrestha is joining. Are already joined with us. They are also going to perform. Welcome you, Ashwini, to the today's program. And Abhyasa means practice. That is continuous practice. From 4 months, they have done all the kids. So today, the event is celebration of that spirit, the dedication and discipline from all the children, and also I want to mention from this complete support from the parents. So we are delighted, truly delighted to see our little kids performance today. Yes. Now let me call Ashwini to introduce our guest for all of us. Over to you, Ashwini. I will put you on spotlight.
Thank you, Veena ma'am. Thank you, Veena ma'am. Thank you so much. Namaste, everyone, those who are present here. Today we have a very special chief guest, so who is very delighted to, very passionate towards the music. So music has a power to touch our hearts and bring joy to our lives. Today we are honored to introduce a special guest, Pooja ma'am, who is closely connected to the world of music. A passionate and a trainer with a big passion, deep appreciation of Indian classical and devotional style, particularly drawing from the rich narratives found in Hindu mythology. She has a 10 years of experience in coaching individual and group in Carnatic music, devotional songs across India and abroad. She has tailored lesson plans to address students' personal goals and skill levels. She has also guided students to perform on stage for music exams and to perform in temple and cultural events. She has mastered in coaching Carnatic vocal techniques from beginners to advanced level. So, main focus on bhajans and devotional songs. The main strength in forecasting a supportive, motivating environment to build confidence to everyone. So she also conducts regular coaching sessions for individual group sessions, providing one-on-one feedback to help students to overcome technical and creative challenges. So she also organizes students recital devotional music gathering to promote learning in action. Thank you, Pooja ma'am. We are very glad to have you with us today. On behalf
My
of
pleasure.
Samskara Vriksham, I warmly welcome you to our program. Thank you,
Thank you
ma'am.
very much. Love to see kids performing so actively. Very nice to see you.
Thank you very much, Pooja. Pooja, can you adjust the lights so that we can see your face more clearly? Yes, yes, yes. Let us not delay. Let us start our program. Over to Ashwini ma'am. Yes, we can start our program with your students. Over to you, Ashwini ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So I'm so glad that my students are also performing as a part of this Abhyasa program. This is my first Abhyasa program, so I'm very excited and very delighted. And I would like to welcome all the students, those who are very colorful present here, and also my students Agastya and Shrestha. So over to Agastya.
Just a minute, Agastya. I'll put you on spotlight. Yes, Agastya, over to you.
Agastya is practicing Kala Bhairava Ashtakam from last 3 months. So now he is going to recite first 3 stanzas of Kala Bhairava Ashtakam. Over
Yes,
to you,
Agastya.
Agastya. All the best.
Namaste everybody. My name is Agastya and I'm 5 years old and today I'm doing Kalabhaira Ashtakam. देवराजसेव्यमान पावनाग्निपङ्कजं व्यालयज्ञसूत्रमिन्दुशेखरं कृपाकरं नारदादियोगिवृन्दवन्दितं दिगम्बरं काशिकापुरादिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे भानुकोटिभास्वरं भवाति कालतम्परं नीलकण्ठमीप्सितार्थदायकं सुलोचनं कालकालमम्बुजाक्षमक्षशूलमक्षरं काशिकापुरादिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे शूलटङ्कपाशदण्डपाणिमादिकादरं श्यामकायमादिदेवमक्षरं निरामयं भीमविक्रमं वचित्रतानवप्रियं काशिकापुरादिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे मुक्तिदायकं प्रशस्तचारुविग्रहं नक्तवक्त्रं समस्तलोकविग्रहं निक्वनं मनोज्ञहेमकिङ्किणीयसक्कृतं काशिकापुरादिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे धर्मसेतुपालकं स्वधर्मनागनाशकं कर्मपाशमोचकं सुशर्मदायकं विभुं स्वर्णवर्णकेशपाश शोभिताङ्गमण्डलं काशिकापुरादिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे. Namaste everybody.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
Thank
much.
you.
Listening.
Thank you. Very
Thanks
good,
to my
Agastya.
teacher.
Thank you.
It was
Ashwini
amazing. Thank you very much,
And-
Agastya. Yes, over to
Yes.
Shrestha.
Over to Shrestha. Here we have a very cute little Shrestha from Ankuram batch, and she is here for us to recite Ramanama Tarakam. And where with a very melodious and very cute voice, she's going to sing for us. Over
Yes,
to
Shrestha.
Shrestha.
Okay.
Now start.
Now start.
Namaste, Shrestha. You can start.
Namaste, ma, namaste.
Rama 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 Tarakam Rama Krishna Vasudeva Bhakti Mukti Dayakam
Janaki.
Shanaki Gamaranam Shavalukanayakam Shankaradi Shivi Nama Punja Nama Chitanam
Rama
Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama Tarakam Rama Krishna Vasudeva Bhakti Mukti Dayakam Veerashuravanditam
Ravanadinashakam.
Ravanadinashakam Puniya Shiva Rama Raja Mantarupakam
Rama
Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama Takam Rama Krishna Vasudeva Bhakti Mukti Dayakam Rama 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 Tarakam Rama Krishna Vasudeva Bhakti Mukti Dayakam.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Very
Very
good.
good, Shrestha. Very good. So nice. Very good. Very melodious. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Veena ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you for the
Thank,
opportunity for Agastya and Shrestha. Thank you, ma'am.
thank you very much, Ashwini. So amazing, so little cute. They are learning so nicely, and also your dedication is your good job, Ashwini. You have done a great job. It's not easy to teach small kids. So yeah, you are joined you are new to our Samskara program. It is not looking like you are new to our Samskara Vriksham. Yes, thank you very much, Ashwini. Now let us go to my batch kids. My batch kids are learning from 4 months Saraswati Ashtakam and Kalabhairava Ashtakam too. They have learned so nicely. So with dedication, they are not only learned shlokas, but they know the reason behind it and also the meaning of the shloka also. So let us see how they explain through their role play. Let us see. All the best for all the kids of my batch, and let me call first Kian as Brahma. Let us see how Brahma explains for all of us. Where are you, Brahma? Yes, I will put you on spotlight, Kian. Then you can start. Yes. Over to you, Kian.
I am Brahma,
Of the world.
creator of the world. With wisdom and knowledge, I guide you inside. Learn well, think right, and be kind. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Kian. So cute. Now let me call Naira as Saraswati. Yes, over to you, Naira. Show the book for all of us first, then keep it aside. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. I am Saraswati.
I am Saraswati, the goddess of learning and wisdom.
I bless
I bless children
who love to
who love to read and ask questions.
use your knowledge
Use your knowledge to do
to do good and help others.
and help others.
Thank you, Naira. See, she is holding book. She is telling us how Saraswati Ma helps us to get knowledge. Thank you. Your wear white sari. You are looking so cute, Naira. Thank you, Naira. Yes. Now over to Shaurya. Yes. Shaurya. Yes. Wow. She is holding instrument. Yes. Yes, Shaurya. Over to you. Cute Saraswati. One more Saraswati. Yes, Shaurya. You can start. You're in mute. Yes.
Huh?
I hold
I hold a Veera and fill the world with sweet music. Music and art make our mind calm and happy. Practice will love
and our knowledge.
our knowledge shine. akan వస్తుందా?
Yes, thank you, Shaurya. Looking so great. Yes, thank you very much. Then now one more Saraswati, cute Anika. Over to you, Anika. I'll put you on spotlight.
గట్టిగా చెప్పాలి.
Yes, Anika. Actually, Anika is so. Yes, Anika, come on.
చెప్పు పీస్ చెప్పు నాన్న.
What are you holding, Anika? Show me properly.
చెప్పు. ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్తున్నాను కదా.
Yes, Anika. You used to chant shloka, dialogue so nicely. Come on, Anika.
వెరీ గుడ్. గట్టిగా చెప్పాలి. ఇఫ్ యూర్
Your heart is pure, it is
విజ్డమ్.
goes
గట్టిగా చెప్పాలి.
wisdom goes.
కెన్ యూ టెల్ అగైన్? గట్టిగా.
I will write to show peace and purity.
ఇఫ్ యూర్
If your heart is made
ప్యూర్
you and be wisdom goes.
ఓకే.
Yes, thank you. Actually, because of dress and all, they are feeling shy today. Otherwise, in class, they used to say louder and clear. Yes, thank you very much. Yes, Atharva Skala Bhairava. I'll put you on spotlight. Yes, come on, Kala Bhairava.
Namaskara, everybody. I am Shankara,
Yes, Shankara.
the husband of the father of Ganesha. Kala Bhairava is a kind and a strong protector. He protects good people. He removes fear. He teaches how to use the time wisely. He teaches us discipline and good habits. Shiva is also known as Shankara. Shiva is also known as Shankara's Nilakanta, Chandramauleshwara, Vishakanta, and Sadashiva. Shiva is the Shankara is is the husband of Parvati and the father of Ganesha and Subramanya. Praise Shiva like this: Tridalam, Trigunakaram, Trinetram, Chatvyaram, Trijanma Papa Samharam, Ekabintam Shivarpanam. Mrityunjaya Rudrantagata Bharti Ramana Mukhya Prana Antagata Sri Lakshmi Narasimha Vikirta Govinda.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Actually, he was not well yesterday. Yesterday,
Yeah.
when she messaged me, he is not well. I will message you in the evening about his progress. See how today he is performing. Thank you very much, Atharva. Super. Very good. Yes, he told so nicely all the information also about Ishvara. Thank you very much. Yes, over to Ishan. Yes, Kala Bhairava. One more Kala Bhairava is here. Yes.
I am Kala Bhairava. I am strong and kind. I remove all fears. I protect everybody. I help you use time. Even if I look fierce, I'm still full of love. Thank you.
Yes, thank you very much. See, the skull also is ready. Wow, super Kala Bhairava. So nice dress. See, all the dress and all, they are ready with so cute dress also. Thank you very much. This is the effort of all the parents. Yes. Now over to Adyant as one more Shiva. Beautiful Shiva. Yes. Yes, Shiva.
I am. Why is Kala Bhairava special? Because he's the Lord of Time. He protects.
He reminds us.
He reminds us to be punctual, do good work, don't waste time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you very much, Adyant. Adyant got his dress from his grandmother. This is so nice progress. See, they are all ready. Parents are ready to get the dress from wherever they can get. They are ready to do whatever which is needed for the role play. Thank you for all the parents. Yes, now my batch kids are going to perform chant shlokas from Saraswati Ashtakam. Let us start. Yes, Vidya.
Just leaving to drop my son
Yes.
to his school, but I don't know by the time I come back if it'll be still on or not. So I wanted to speak few words.
No,
Sorry,
you put you on
Amma,
spotlight. Wait.
interrupting. Uh, Veena Amma is known for role plays, okay? And every Abhyasa program that we have done so far in all our India batches, there is role play, and we all started learning to make role plays. And I was skeptical, how can something happen online? But having role play in USA batch, and all the parents have made kids so ready. I'm like, Ishan with the skull and all prepared, and Damaru, and where did you get that head, Aparna? Seriously? Adyan, so very well. Smita, very nice. And all the little Saraswatis, Brahma, beautifully dressed. How did you arrange the white sari? I was like, oh my God. So I was really stunned to see all the kids, and I'm sure you would be finding that difference. All of them were my students, and then now they're with Veena Amma students. I am feeling so jealous, frankly speaking. And amazingly, all of them have done so well. And Ashwini, as Amma said, I really didn't feel that this is your first batch that you have been taking. I know you are a very experienced teacher. There's no doubt about the teaching skills, but again, getting adopted to Samskara Vriksham and our culture and the way we teach, and the subject is different, right? In terms of teaching, you've done phenomenal work. I couldn't see Agastya stopping something. He was on and on and on and on chanting, and Shrestha also. Very nice, very nice. I'm so
Thank you.
very happy. I will join back, and I would love to listen to what Pooja also says. And Pooja is officially our Carnatic music teacher for Samskara Vriksham, and she's been conducting classes. So we wanted to introduce her to our Samskara kids as well, which is why I told Pooja, please come and attend our USA batch. You have to experience how kids are learning. And we would need your inputs and expertise to teach them singing as well, Pooja. So yeah, please listen to the kids, and I'll quickly drop my son and I'll join back. Thank you so
Sure.
much, Amma. Thank you, Ashwini. Thank you, all the parents. Sorry, I'm taking a leave, but I'll definitely come back. Thank you.
Thank you, Vidya. Yes. Now over to Anika. Let us start the Saraswati Ashtakam. Let us hear from her cute little. Yes. Just a minute. Just over to
Start.
Anika.
ఓకే నాన్న పాడు గట్టిగా.
Hmm.
విశ్వవంద్యాస కమలాకరమాలిని విమలాభరణి భావోవ్యాన్ కమలాయా సరస్వతి.
Yes. Thank you, Anika. Now over to Adyant. Adyant. Just a
వర్ణసంస్థాంగరూపాయ
Yes. Now start.
వర్ణసంస్థాంగరూపాయ స్వర్ణవర్ణవిభూషిత నిర్ణయ భారతీ శ్వేత వర్ణయో ఓవ్యాత్ సరస్వతి.
Thank you very much, Adyant. Now to Naira. Yes. Just a minute. I'll put you on spotlight. You can start. Yes, start.
వరదాభయ రుద్రాక్ష వర పుస్తకధారి సరోజస్త సాదావ్యోవ్యాత్ సరస్వతి.
Thank you, Naira. Now over to Ishan. Ishan. Yes, Ishan.
సుందరి సుమఖి పద్మ స్వర్ణవర్ణ విభూషిత.
వీడియో తీయాలి నెక్స్ట్ నువ్వే.
You can start from the beginning. Sundari.
సుందరి సుమఖి పద్మ మందిర మధురాచస కుందపాస సదా వోవత్ వందితాయ సరస్వతి.
నువ్వే.
Thank you very much. Then over to Shaurya. Shaurya. Just a second.
యుద్ధాక్షలి
Yes, start.
యుద్ధాక్షలిపిత కుంభముద్దాతుత కరాంబుజ బద్ధాత్తదాయిని సావ్యాత్ బద్ధాబ్జాక్షి సరస్వతి.
Thank you very much, Shaurya. Over to Kian.
Wait.
Just a minute. Yes, Kian.
రక్తకౌశివరత్నార్య వ్యక్తభాషణమూషణ భద్రాతదాయిని సావ్యాత్ భద్రాగ్రాక్షి సరస్వతి.
Yes. This is all about Saraswati Ashtakam. They all are learned so nicely. Now, thank you very much for all the kids. Now over to Kala Bhairava Ashtakam. Let us start from
sorry.
Ishan.
Excuse me. Sorry,
Yes,
Atharva
yes.
has learned it too.
Learned
so-
it? Wow! Wow, Atharva. Just a minute.
No, now is your turn. Chaturmukha.
I want to tell you he has not joined for Saraswati Ashtakam, but I gave him one shloka as though he was not well also. He has learned one shloka. He is ready for today. Amazing. Yes, Atharva.
Hello.
Ratnapal.
Putta, Chaturmukha, Saraswati.
But I don't have a chance to say Ratnapal.
That is later. Now Saraswati Ashtakam.
Chaturmukasya Jayaya Chatur Vedaswarupini Chatur Pujacha Savobhya Chaturvarga Saraswati. Ma.
Yes, thank you very much, Atharva. Actually, I told him, don't worry, you are not well also. If you cannot chant Shloka of Saraswati Ashtakam, it's okay. But today he is ready. Over 3-4 hours, he is ready to learn also and ready to chant. Very nice, very nice. Next, let us go to Kalabhairava Ashtakam. Ishan, yes, Ishan. Ready? I'll put you on spotlight. You can start. Yes, Ishan.
देवराज्य सेव्यमान पावनांग्रि पंकजं व्यालयग्नसूत्रमिन्दुशेखरं कृपाकरं नारदादि योगी वृन्दवन्दितं दिगम्बरं काशिकापुरादिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे.
Yes. So nice. Hold that Damaruga and Trishula. Yes. Yes. Wow. So beautiful. This is the effort of the parents. See, all the parents have taken so much effort and patience to dress up and for the materials and also the not only shloka chanting. I'm very, very happy. Yes. Now next, Anika. Anika, second shloka of Kalabhairavashtakam. Yes, Anika.
Bhaktitadakam param Neelakantamipsidadadai Tilochanam Kalakalamambudakshamakshishu Aksharam Kashika Puradinada Kalabhairavam Bachi.
Thank you, Anika. She never used to open her mouth at all to chant the shlokas. Her mother used to chant for her. For 2 weeks, this thing happened. From the third week, she started like anything. Actually, she is shy today. That otherwise, she can flawlessly chant all the shlokas and all. Without stopping, she can chant. Yes. Now, next, Shaurya.
Sulatakkapasadandapanimaadi Khadaram Samakayamadi Niyamaya Bhima Vikka Vibu Babu Vichittatat Piyam Kasika Puyadina Kalabhairavam Bhaje.
Yes, thank you, Shaurya. All the kids have 100% attendance almost. They don't miss the class at all. In the beginning, they used to join 5 minutes late for the class. I told them, please don't miss the class. Then everybody started attending on time. Because I used to, my practice is to join before 5 minutes early. So now they have adjusted to me and they are ready to join. And for Adyan, her mama told he wants to sleep early. He will sleep early and daily. But now he is also ready to sit for the whole class. So I'm happy that all the kids are joining on time and they are attending the classes regularly. Now over to Adyan for the fourth shloka. Adyan.
Mukti Muktidayakam Prashashtacharu Vigram Bhaktamakalam Stiram Samastaloka Vigram Nikparandanogna Hemakim Sunila Shakadam Shikapuradinata Kalabhairavam Bhaje.
Thank you very much. Now Kian, fifth shloka.
Dharma Setu Palakam Sudharma Marganashakam Parakarma Pashamushakam Shisharma Dayakam Vipam Swarna Varna Kesha Pashayo Pitanga Mandalam Kashika Puradinata Kala Vedavam Bhaje.
Yes, so nice. Holding that mooch, that white thing and everything, and he's chanting with patience. They are all sitting and they are doing so nice. I am very happy. This is my first batch from USA.
It's bit itchy.
I was not taking for the USA kids. This is the first time experience. I'm very happy. Yes, over to Atharva for the sixth shloka. Yes, Atharva.
रत्नपादुका प्रभाविरामपादयुष्मकं नित्यमद्वितीयमिष्टदैवतं देवतं त्रिनञ्जनं मृत्युदर्पनाशनं करालदंष्ट्यमोच्यनं काशिकापुरादिनाथकालभैरवं भजे.
Yes. Thank you, Atharva. Last but not the least, Naira. Seventh shloka. Over to you, Naira.
अट्टः
Yes.
जाण्डकोशसन्तति दृष्टपापनष्टपापजालमुग्रस्वम् अस्तसिद्धिदायकम् काशिकापुरादिनाथकालभैरवं भजे.
Yes. Thank you, Naira. And Naira's brother has also learned listening to Naira's chanting. This is the beauty of the kids. If one kid join immediately, another kid automatically they can learn. So I'm very happy for all the kids. Pooja, this is all about our my batch kids performed and also they chanted shlokas. Now I request you to. I'll put you on spotlight first, then yes, Pooja, this is all about our kids. I want to bless and say some words from your side. Yes, over to you, Pooja.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for inviting me. Just so surprised to see kids in US being taking part in such nice programs. Parents at this generation supporting the kids to accept our culture, tradition, and in very young age. So we'll be very sure they will follow the right path, being God's devotees. So that is what I like about this. And great job to Samskara Vriksham team to encourage all the kids and support from parents. Very nice idea about this.
Thank you very much, Pooja.
Thank you.
With your all regular routine and all, you joined our session and you
Right.
blessed our kids also. And we are and all the Samskara teachers who have joined here. And Ashwini, thank you very much. It was very nice experience from your side also. And Agastya and Shrestha chanted so nicely. I'm very happy. And from Samskara Vriksham team, thank you very much, Pooja. Now I request the parents to share your experience and feedback from your side. Please raise your hand so that I can put you on spotlight. Aparna. Yes, if you raise your hand so that I can call. Anika's mom or Aparna? I'll put you on spotlight. Please unmute and start.
Namaste.
Yes.
I'm Aparna, Ishan's mother. Very nice to meet you, Pooja ma'am. Yeah, this is probably our fourth or fifth or sixth. I've lost the count of the Abhyasa program. Ishan has been learning since I think the past almost 3 years. So he started when he was almost very, very small to now he's almost 6 years old. So I think we started around 3.5 or so. when this was when Vidya was just introducing the US and the international batches. So we were the first ones to kind of request a PST batch. So I'm so happy to see how much it has, the family has grown, and more and more students coming in. And I can see from the Samskara Vriksham from the team as well, to add more and more programs and more learning opportunities for the children. And the good news is that my younger one, who is just 2, he keeps hearing his brother chant and sing, and so he has learnt it even without formally teaching him, which is so amazing. And Ishan, I would say another wonderful side effect of this is he's very interested in mythology. He always wants to listen to value-based storytelling. And so I'm very, very happy, and special thanks to Veena Amma for teaching. It was wonderful. This was our first time learning with you, and you're like a wonderful guide, and almost like a grandparent to all the children. So thank you so much for your guidance, and with so much patience. Every time, she makes sure that each and every child, learns and gets individual attention. And even for the role play, she made sure that we practiced over and over again until the children were familiar, with so much of patience and love. So thank you so much. I know Vidya is not here, and wishing you continued success, Vidya, whenever you're watching the recording. And may you continue to grow and accomplish more and more. I know so much thoughts are brewing in the team's heads, and you want to achieve so much, and we are with you and we support you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Aparna, for your kind words and support. As always, you are there for us. And thank you once again. Yes, Ramya? Ashwini, you can call Agastya's mom or Shreshta's mom also after Anika's mom. Anika?
Sure, ma'am.
Hi,
Yes.
Veena.
I have a class to attend now, so I leave for the day.
Yes. Thank you
Okay.
very much
Thank
for
you.
joining.
Thanks.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Yes.
Pooja, ma'am.
Okay.
We love upset.
Hi, Veena ma'am. Yeah, I see a lot of change in Anika. I mean, at least now she's sitting properly and listening to the class. Also, she listens to this Kala Bhairava Ashtakam and Saraswati Ashtakam while going to school, and I mean, while driving to school. So she asked me to play those. That's how she got hang of both slokas. So that's why she's singing now very nicely, both of them. So I'm very happy for making her focus and learn and all that. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Ramya. Actually, she was a bit shy today.
Yeah, because
Otherwise,
with all the dress and everything, she's seen new faces
yes.
today, right? So that's why she's little shy. Otherwise, her voice will be very loud. I mean, not as calm as what we saw today. So just that with all that dress, and she saw all new faces, so not her usual friends, right? So that's why she's little shy.
Yes, I understand. No worries. Yes, over to Agastya's parent.
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am. Namaste.
Namaste to everyone.
Yeah,
Namaste.
like I
Namaste.
mean, like telling few things is very short for what you're doing for us, and we are away from India, right? Like so, with all this, it's a very good exposure for us. Like kids just asking about something that we have been through in our childhood, right? Like it helps us to relate so much, and more than that, it is a proud thing actually when they end up singing these things in public or in in our friend circle. We stand out obviously, so it's very unique. So thanks to Samskara Vriksham, and I have to hats off to our should give a shout out to Ashwini teacher.
Yeah.
She was very patient with him, and because we sit with him, even though you see a small performance now, she spends like 30-45 minutes, and half of the time goes where she lets him express
Yeah.
whatever he's gone through the whole day, like everything. So it's all like very good mixture of
Exposure, yeah.
like kid expressing themselves, also getting exposed to your
Yeah,
program. So
and along with the learning, Ashwini ma'am made sure that he doesn't get bored just by doing the shlokas, and she did for sure. She at least keeps one activity in each session, and he'll be looking forward for it. That's what will mainly hold him like on the chair. And the Kalabhairava Ashtakam has been a kind of shield for him, I can say, because I think he's in the face of like in school and other thing where he'll be listening to different things. So whenever he has to go to a different room or something alone, he'll be a little scared. But as soon as we tell him to sing Kalabhairava Ashtakam, he will like literally sing and he'll go alone and come. So that's kind of a boost for us as well to keep him doing the same thing.
it's also a good foundation for future, because we always heard online classes kids will not sit and all, but we never had like Agastya. Even we see other kids whenever we had group classes, they are very happy to participate.
Yeah.
So I hope this will also help us in the future when they have to do much like bigger courses and all that. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for this opportunity, and you're not just stopping by giving kids only the shloka practices. And these 4-month ones, when we have the Abhyasa program, it's more like a festival, right? So just like how we used to have the annual day in the school, so that itself is like a motivation for us. Okay, like example today, for him to get ready and sit, he was like very much happy, and he wanted to see all the kids' performance, but because it was his bedtime, he had to take him early. Otherwise, he was also very much interested in seeing all the kids and the culture. Everything is very encouraging for us too.
Once again, thanks to Ashwini teacher and Vidya
ma'am.
teacher.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, I missed Agastya because of the timings adjustment and all. We allotted for Ashwini. Ashwini and me are colleagues prayer also. Now she is.
Oh,
This is
Oh, nice.
yeah. I'm feeling jealousy about Agastya now.
Maybe
Thank
when
you,
we
thank
come
you
to
very
when we come to India, we can all meet up
yeah,
sometime there.
definitely, man. Yeah,
Definitely,
Thank you,
definitely.
thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
thank you very much. Yes. Yes, anybody?
Oh, one second, one. Thank you so much. Thank you. And Agastya's parents also, they are very supportive to him. And so they're really, he's not like their relationship is not like just a parent they are very close, very like just like a friends. So only we can see his upbringing, like because you are like this, so he is also a very good child, very obedient. Thank you so much. I'm very glad that he is my student. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much.
Thank you very much. Yes. Anybody else?
Hi, ma'am. I am Naira's mom.
Yes. Please go ahead.
Yeah, this is Manasa. Yeah, I want to say thank you to this Abhyasa program. I not Abhyasa, I mean like the Samskara program. I I initially got joined to this program just because I was coming to India for a 3-month break. I was like, how to engage Naira for 3 months? Let's search something online, and I saw a kid chanting Hanuman Chalisa. I was like, it was through Samskara. And then I thought, okay, let me give it a try. But it was when Naira was less than 2.5. And we have been continuing since then. She's 5 now. So for past 2.5 years, we have been with Samskara. It's very nice. Like I am also learning and growing through the process. I know a very few slokas or things from my childhood, but this helps me also learn and also get some bonding time with Naira, where we chant together, listen to stories, talk about God and all of this, making her close to our traditions and values as well. So yeah, I'm very happy for this program, and then how affectionate or how in person care each of the teachers take. Like I think she met like 4 different teachers throughout this 2.5 years, and she connects with each of the teacher, and she keeps asking like,
ఇంకా
I'm
చెప్తూనే ఉన్నారు వాళ్ళు
yeah,
పేరెంట్స్
ma'am,
నేను ప్రిపేర్
Rekha ma'am and all of that. So, and yeah, my little one he started talking like couple of months ago, and he's now chanting Saraswati Astakam and Kalabhairav Astakam along with Naira. So when I need to calm him down, I will say, "Come on, Arya, sing Amala Vishwavandhyas," and then that's how he calms down. So this we are like truly blessed to being part of this program. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Manasa. It was so amazing. This is my first experience from the USA batch, so I am feeling also excited and also I'm very happy. Yes,
And just to tell one more thing, like
yes.
with Nama, with your session, she opened up a lot. Earlier with the teachers, she used to be very shy whenever she is talking, but with you, she's been very much open, communicating throughout. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you very, very much. Yes, it was very nice. I'm also feeling happy with all the kids. I'm enjoying. I feel fresh in the morning. For me, it is morning, right? I feel fresh. I feel energetic for the whole day. Yes, thank you very much, Smita.
Hi, Namaste. I am Smita, mother of Atharva Sandeep. So I have pretty much the same feeling most of you all told. Atharva has been enjoying the class. Thank you so much, Veena ma'am. This is his first online class, Zoom class. So I was also kind of skeptical as to how he would cope up. Of course, yeah, he's introduced to shlokas from childhood and he's kind of good at catching, but now I didn't know how a Zoom class would be, and I wanted to try. It's just the first class, and I realized that he's actually enjoying it. And he waits for your class, Veena ma'am. Thank you so much. And one thing that I was missing here in US is the interaction with a grandmother for him. I have to tell you that he talks to his grandfather, and then but more than that, he's talking to you twice a week. So it's like the stories that you tell, I can actually relate. These are the ones that my grandmother used to tell to me, and I was missing that part to him. Thank you so much. You're filling that part. Thanks a lot. That means so much to me. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Smita. Yeah, this is my regular. It has become regular practice because I have 400 grandchildren now from all the Samskara students. They are also attached to me, and their parents are very happy. I don't know how we connect through online also. They are all messaging the same thing. You are like grandmother, you are like grandmother. So my Vidya used to tell me, what is where are my kids? Like that it is happening. And she is from Mysore also, so I connect with more from to Tharva. Yes, I'm also feeling very happy with all the kids. Yes, thank you very much for
Thank you
this
so much.
your feedback. Yes, yes. Let us continue the whole journey with how much God gives me strength. I will continue this connection with you all. Yes, yes. And anybody else? Yes,
Yes, ma'am. I just want to say two lines.
Yes, yes.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, go ahead. Sorry. Okay.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah. No, I just want to say that I'm glad that Dharani introduced us to this class. I was not very confident about Kian, but I mean the way he's picking up all the shlokas, so it was amazing. I frankly speaking, I was not expecting this from him, but the way he's picking up, just like I don't have to repeat it. Just by listening, he's picking up all these shlokas and reciting them, and it's like a daily process to him. He just keeps singing, doing all the work, like while working or something, while eating or while playing, just recites all the shlokas. So it's just wonderful. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you very much. Yes.
Hi, ma'am. I'm Dharini Adyan's mother. Firstly, I just wanted to thank you so much for this program, amazing Samskara Vriksha program. Adyan has been learning since he was 2.5 years old. Now he's going to turn 5. So we are super blessed to be a part of this program. So initially when we started, I had a lot of inhibitions. I was telling Miss Vidya also, like, how will he even pick up? He's just 2.5. But she gave me the confidence that, kids his age are all learning and all that. So, but then, to see his growth, it is so amazing to see him practice all these slokas. Like not just me, his grandparents, everyone are like super surprised to see him chant all these slokas at a very young age. And not just slokas, you teach values, other things apart from, that are like important for life, like, like it's like a holistic approach which we really like about this program. Like, be it like a small things like, soaking the nuts, or like daily praying to God, those kind of small things are like, I think little things go a long way. And we are super, we are really thankful to you, you teachers, first of all. And also, Veena ma'am, like you put in so much effort, during this role play practice sessions. Both my husband and me, we were like seeing how much effort you put in, invested in training these children. So thank you so much for all of this. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much. But for me, you people, that the parents, you give time. You give your precious time, I can say, because this is not easy to teach a one kid. Because I have three grandchildren, I know how much effort they want. And I used to say to Vidya, see, our Samskara kids are doing so much. You are not teaching your kid only, because she is so busy, and all the parents are. This time I see they are all busy. You people sit for them, you give time for them. That too, you got for role play all the material, whatever you want. So I will say whatever it is at home you use, but they are not stopping to that extent. They are bringing, somehow they are arranging for this day. Or they you all are joined today on time, and you have all with. You removed your dress and all. Very good. Yes. So this is how we want to make our kids rooted to the culture wherever we are. We don't want to miss anything from our side. That's what we want. We are all trying. Thank you all for the parents who are all supporting us. Yes, Ashwini, over to you.
Chaitra's mother wants to speak,
Yes,
so
yes.
she's raised her hand.
Huh.
Diksha, that is Bindu. You can,
Shrestha.
Shreshtas. Yes,
Yes.
Shreshtas.
Just a minute.
Tomorrow their flight is there. So they are leaving to, they are
Yes.
coming to India. We can say they are coming to India.
Yes.
So,
Yes,
so yeah,
please
over
switch on the
to
video,
Bindu.
Shrestha, so that I can put
Yeah,
you on
she's there.
spotlight. Ha. Yes.
Okay. First of all, Namaste, Veena ma'am and Ashwini ma'am. I'm seeing Veena ma'am for the first time, but I've heard about you from from a lot of other friends who introduced me to Samskara Vriksham. And thank you so much for creating a beautiful foundation for kids at this age. And last time for our first Abhyasa program, I did mention about this. It was by accident I had to speak to Vidya ma'am firstly, and because one of my friends had to collect the book from Vidya ma'am. So it got delivered to my home, and that's how I connected with Vidya ma'am, and she explained what exactly it is, but she was just 2 years old then. And she told just after 6 months, 2.5, it is the right time to start. But I was still skeptical, but we just gave it a try, and amazingly, she's developing her, interest in learning shlokas, and every day she ensures just after she wakes up, goes in front of the god, whatever the shlokas she remembers, she just tells in front of the god. And she helps me in the kitchen, like, no, you're not just teaching the shlokas, the meaning of it, the values of it, and also how to help, or how to thank god or thank the mother who is cooking food for the kids and everything. So she's doing amazing about it, and we we want to continue no matter where we are. And we are really happy and grateful. And the enthusiasm she has, even in the deep sleep, if I just, even if like if I just wake her up, hey, Ashwini mom's class is starting, she'll just wake up. And she just wakes up, Namaste, Ashwini ma'am. She just starts with that. And she truly enjoys the class, and we are happy to see her enjoying the class. And also, this is not the batch that she is in, but it is absolutely delightful to see a lot of kids who dressed up so nicely. I was wondering, why didn't I, dress Shrestha today? But yeah, next time she definitely. And all the kids did amazing today. And yes, proud of all the parents too. Thank you so much, Veena ma'am and Vidya ma'am and Ashwini ma'am. Thank you. Yeah. Namaste, Hela Shrestha.
Thank you. Thank you.
Namaste. Actually, what happened, Chaitra? Ashwini,
Bindu, ma'am.
Bindu, sorry, Bindu. Ashwini is so energetic, and she used to teach preschool kids and all. I know her energy. And when in this online shloka class, I used to tell her, please stop, Ashwini, hold on. Let you and kids adjust. This is a fresh for you. Then we will go for role play and everything. So this is how happened. Otherwise, she is ready to say to all of us, Agastya and Shrestha, to do the role play also. But we only stopped her. We will let us finish our syllabus first, then we will move to the next step. This is the
Yes, but
energy of
Shrestha would
Ashwini.
love
She
to.
will
Just
definitely
after
do.
Yes, just after the class started, she's like, "Can you get me a dress at least? If not, all the flowers and the neck pieces she wanted." She wanted
Sorry
to
from
attend.
our side. Otherwise, we would have told.
So when you are coming to India, you please purchase everything and keep it ready for her.
Yes.
Okay, nice.
Certainly. Now
Thank
that I
you.
know,
Thank you so
we
much.
do that.
Yes,
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you so much,
thank you
Bindu.
very much.
You can please leave. So please prepare for your flight. Yeah, you all and happy journey. Please welcome to India.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very
Thank you.
much.
Ram Shrestha. Ram.
Yes. Thank you all. Thank you very much for all of you to join here and give your time for all the kids and all. Thank you, Ashwini. We will wind up the class. Thank you, Aparna. Yes, thank you, Manasa. Yes, Smita.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Vidya. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, Ram. Thank you very much.